First off, I love my job. We'll start with that.
You start here and you go far, so I'm a really good example for that.
I am proud to be part of Interfor. It's just a very rewarding company to work for. They always support us in everything that we aspire to be.
Come to work every day, try to do my best. I love it here. I've done several other jobs, and this has hands down been my favorite. I love the company. I love what I do.
I like the atmosphere. I like the crew that I work with. You know, I enjoy working for a company that I know cares about me.
I love people, and Interfor loves people. They want a team atmosphere because they understand that a team is the one that makes people successful.
I started fresh out of high school on cleanup back in '05. I got into production line, did that for a couple years. Went from running machinery to grading lumber, did that for 8 years. Around that time, Interfor took over around 2015. They added a bunch of jobs and I put in for a planer tech job. Relief supervisor, did that for also about a year, and here I am now as sawmill supervisor.
It's going to be a harsh environment, and that's okay, because Interfor provides you what you're going to need to be successful. We're going to make sure that you've got the right training, you've got the right clothes, you've got the right mentor to ensure that you're being successful.
We do have a lot of opportunities here at Interfor. Most people start off entry level and they can go into production, they can go into leadership, and after a certain amount of time we do have apprenticeship programs for different types of trades. So it's really all up to each individual and what they want to do with their career.
So I've worked here about 3 years now. Started in July of 2018. Started as a cleanup utility. Did that for about 3 months, and from there I was given the opportunity to come to the mill floor on swing shift, and I ran for about 9 months. And then I got another opportunity to be the log loader operator. From there, I left the log loader and I got the opportunity to be the quality control, which is my position now.
With zero experience, I started at the cleanup for about a week, and they were doing the night shift, so they needed operators, and I ended up being a sorter operator and then moved to a stacker operator, and now I'm the planer and feeder. The opportunities are endless.
And then when I started here, it kind of really set in where I was working, and it was a little intimidating because there wasn't a whole lot of women working here. We had our current mill manager who was the safety coordinator at the time, and there was one other woman here. So it was very intimidating starting off in this type of environment, and we've came a long way since then, and we have a lot of women working here now, which is really nice to be a part of.
I thought it'd be hard for a young woman to work in this type of environment, but once I started, I noticed that it's very accepting, and we work just as hard as the men, if not harder.
You know, I worked in the sawmill industry for many, many years and started out in a safety role. Very good mentors at Interfor supported me, that stood side by side with me, saying, okay, what's your next move? Because we want to help you get there. And then they promoted me to production manager. From production manager, then I became the mill manager. The sky is the limit. And the reason that it's the limit is because you're going to work hard, you're going to prove what you can do, and you've got somebody, a facility, a business that wants you to progress and be the best that you can be. And Interfor provides the atmosphere to make you successful.
And when Interfor took over in 2015, it changed. They invest in their machine centers, they invest in their machinery, they invest in technology and optimization so they could stay on top.
Way better with all the technology. You're doing less physical labor, which is actually safer for you in the long run.
Now we're able to scan logs and make the right decisions, and it's clicking just like this, day in and day out.
We used to have to flip pretty much every board, which was hard on you, hard on your hands, hard on your wrists. Now you have scanners that read the whole board to where you don't have to flip all the boards and grade as near as much as you did before.
As the technology grew, we at Interfor recognized that technology is the way to move us to the next level. So with that technology, that's helped us in safety. And if you've got a core safety program, you're going to be successful in everything else that you do.
There's people out there doing audits, there's people making sure that we're working safe. and it's a culture here at Interfor, and we live by it every day.
I've seen a lot more guarding installed. I've seen more procedures completed to keep employees safe and to limit the interaction between pedestrians and equipment, or even mobile equipment for that matter. Constantly striving to do better every single day. I feel like I play a really important role in that because I genuinely care about every single person here, and I want to make sure everybody goes home every single day.
A young person should consider work here because they're very safety oriented. They're very supportive of each other. They're always going to try and help you reach your goals.
Safety really starts with training. As a supervisor myself, I am trained on all different types of safety, all the way from rolling stock to bloodborne pathogens to CPR.
Safety is so important to Interfor because we strive to get better every single day, and doing the right thing can be the hard thing because sometimes it's hard to do the right thing, and it's important because we want our employees going home to their families.
Working here in particular, you tend to build friendships with your coworkers. A lot of us hang out outside of work.
3 of the other supervisors here were in part of my wedding group. We've grown together actually since high school. It's kind of funny, we all grew up together too, and we came up in this industry together.
If I ever need anything, or if I want to move somewhere, the supervisors, even the employees, like my coworkers, they're all very supportive and they'll help you out any way. If I want to learn something new on just a machine that's not even mine, they'll be like, yeah, come over, you got some time, I'll teach you how to do this. So it's just more of a family mentor instead of a personal individual.
I'm happy to come to work every single day where they care about us, and just to expand my knowledge and to grow with this company.
I'm not going to stop here, I plan on moving to the next level too, so.
Next step would hopefully be supervisor.
Retirement. I've been in this industry for, a long time. Next in my career is to help my team members be successful so that somebody can take my position and they can build what I've built and they make it better than I did. And that's next in my career.